Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to talk about the best free alternative to Ring Doorbell. What are the things that you have to be kind of aware of. So the Authy video doorbell. So this is like the first one, very popular one that you can actually like check out for yourself. And you have like 2 cameras provided, expanded view, no subscription required, 3 local storage, 2K resolution video, dual camera. Design is bulkier, requires home-based hub for some models, battery life can vary with heavy use, and limited smart home ecosystem integration. Now, then also another one is like this one right here, which is like rolling. This is another one that you can like check out. So if you want more storage, you can use Rolling's Home Hub, a device for up to 1 terabyte. No subscription needed for core features, long battery life, can be battery or wired, affordable price point. The cons is that cloud storage is paid, app can be less polished than Ring, no HomeKit support, and limited smart home integration. Now, the Aquara video doorbell. So this is kind of like another one that you can actually check out. So you get 7 rolling days of recording for free with Aquara's cloud. If it's hardwired for power, you can even record 24/7. And free facial recognition. Apple HomeKit secure video compatible, works with Alexa, Google, and HomeKit. But the cons is that it can run off 6 AA batteries or be connected to low voltage doorbell wiring, but it can ring your home existing chime. Micro SD card sold separately. Extended cloud storage requires subscription and setup can be complex. So that's pretty much it. What I want to share with you is that yes, you have also like TP-Link, Tapo. This is like another one that you can like check out for yourself. And maybe you will like it. So that's pretty much it. Also, thank you very much and have a great day.